it's interesting to look at where AI will be in the next 5, 10, and 20 years. In the next 5 years, we see artificial intelligence essentially helping us automate a number of the routine tasks that we are doing. And of course, we'll also move more into making better decisions using AI, so what we call as augmentation. That will penetrate across all areas of business, across all sectors of business. So it's going to be very widespread over the next 5 years to gain far more efficiencies and better effectiveness in terms of how we make decisions. As we move from the 5-year to a 10-year kind of a horizon, we'll be more used to AI. And as we get more comfortable with AI, we'll be delegating more of our routine activities and tasks to AI and using them in almost everything that we do. We are already starting to do that. I think it'll be more prevalent in the 5 to 10 years. And what we see at that transition period is we'll move from augmented intelligence, or where AI is augmenting our decision makings, to autonomous AI, where we have sufficient confidence in what the system is doing or what the AI is doing that we are prepared to hand over control to the AI. So it's going to become more and more autonomous, and some of the decision making and everything that we do, we may be prepared to hand it over to the machine. So that's sort of the second phase of 5 to 10 years, moving more from augmented to autonomous in some areas. And beyond the 10 years, I would say it's largely speculation at this stage, but as we get more comfortable with augmented and autonomous intelligence, I see we enter the age of more embedded intelligence. Already there are lots of areas where people are researching how to get a interface between the brain and the machine. So we would be able to give controls, make controls using our brain, using our thoughts, and much more than that. So it's going to be very much embedded. The intelligence will be embedded within us. So that would be more speculative beyond the 20 years. So that's what I would see as happening between 5, 10, and 20, where we move from automation and augmentation to augmentation and autonomous, and then finally to embedded intelligence.